Good morning, students. Welcome back. In today's class, we are going to learn about Lesson 1 Forts and Palaces. Dear children, in the last class, we learned about different forts. In today's class, we are going to learn about different palaces in Tamil Nadu. First, we will see about Tirumalai Nayakar Palace. Tirumalai Nayakar Palace is a 17th century palace erected in 1636 AD by King Tirumalai Nayaka, a king of Madurai's Nayaka dynasty, who ruled Madurai from 1623 to 59 in the city of Madurai, India. It is one of the most popular palaces in South India. This palace is a classic fusion of Italian and Rajput styles. The original palace complex was 4 times bigger than the present structure. In its heyday, the palace was considered to be one of the wonders of the south. This is one of the tourist spots of Tamil Nadu. Tirumalai Nayakar Palace is widely known for its Jain pillars. The major attraction of this palace is the courtyard and the dancing hall. This palace is situated 2 kilometers southeast of the Meenakshi Amman temple. Tamakam Palace. Tamakam Palace was the summer residence of the Queen Rani Mangammal of the Nayak dynasty. It is located in Madurai. Next one is Tanjavur Maratha Palace. Tanjavur Maratha Palace is popularly called Tanjavur Aranmanai. Tanjavur Maratha Palace was originally constructed by the rulers of Tanjavur Nayakar Kingdom. After the fall of the Tanjavur Nayakar Kingdom, it served as the official residence for Tanjavur Maratha. Tanjavur Palace Complex is a tourist attraction which houses 3 separate venues. First one, the palace, the art gallery, and a manuscript library, Saraswati Mahal. The Saraswati Mahal is considered as one of the oldest historical libraries in India. Saraswati Mahal also has a museum. The library has more than 1 million manuscripts in languages like Tamil, Sanskrit, Marathi, and Telugu. Next, Batmanabhapuram Palace. Batmanabhapuram Palace is a beautiful historical monument that is situated at Batmanabhapuram, Kanyakumari district. It is also known as Kalkulam Palace. Batmanabhapuram Palace is a wooden palace which is built in Kerala style of architecture. It is a fine example of art and craftsmanship. The Batmanabhapuram Palace was built by the ruler of Trivangur. The palace has various sections like Queen Mother Palace, Council Chamber, Southern Palace, and so on. Okay, students, did you understand today's class? A small recap of what we have learned in the today's class. Tirumalai Nayakar Palace. The majestic Tirumalai Nayakar Palace is a 17th century architecture of Nayakar dynasty. It is one of the most popular palaces in South India. Tirumalai Nayakar Palace is located in the city of Madurai. Tanjavur Maratha Palace. Tanjavur Maratha Palace is popularly called Tanjavur Aranmanai. Tanjavur Maratha Palace was originally constructed by the rulers of Tanjavur Nayakar Kingdom. After the fall of the Tanjavur Nayakar kingdom, it served as the official residence for Tanjavur Maratha. Padmanabhapuram Palace. Padmanabhapuram Palace is a beautiful historical monument that is situated at Padmanabhapuram, Kanyakumari district. It is also known as Kalkulam Palace. Padmanabhapuram Palace is a wooden palace which is built in Kerala style of architecture. It is a fine example of art and craftsmanship. Dear children, palaces and forts are the prime attractions of Tamil Nadu tourism. Vellore Fort is a fine example of military architecture. The major attractions of Thirumalai Nayakar Palace is the courtyard and the dancing hall. Okay, students, I hope you have understood today's class. Okay, thank you.